On July 6, 1993, he came to get some watermelon to take over across the street to share with Jane and Chris and Amanda. But we looked out. He didn't quite make it across the street. He's just sitting here, out on the flower garden. Off in his own little world. There's a piece there beside him. He dropped it. It was a big debate whether to keep eating it or not. But he kept looking at it, just about taking a bite. He decided not to. But there was a lot, and the other kids haven't spied him up yet. Whoops. No concern, he's had his fill. Will he take the watermelon across the street and share it? He's in pain. Oops, the lid popped too. Matthew, did you share the watermelon with the other kids? Did they enjoy it, honey? Matt, did the kids enjoy the watermelon? Matt? Yo, Willie, did the kids enjoy the watermelon? Did you share the watermelon with the other kids? Matthew? Did you share with the other children? You didn't sit outside and eat the watermelon by yourself, did you? Maddie, you tell Mama. Did you share?
No.
What do you mean, no? I thought you were going to take it across the street and share it with Jane and Chris. How come?
No.
Hey, you need a bath, so go change. You might as well go in the tub.
Nan's not.
Well, Nanda's... This is my little piglet.
I want to go back.